Hello, good morning and welcome to my vlog. My name is Random Life Productions and today this video is going to take you on a tour around London. I will be filming it with my DJI Osmo Pocket and I have the remote controller for it. I'm currently filming on the GoPro Hero 7 4K 24 frames a second in the flat profile, and I'm going to do exactly the same thing with the Osmo Pocket with the controller on it, which is a pretty cool bit of equipment this. So when you turn the pocket on like so, you turn the pocket on like so, the controller here will move it like this, like so, or if you click the other button to the other direction, it will move it up and down. And I bought the pack for £100, but it just means that I have far more I've got far more control of the Osmo Pocket, and I can do some smooth pan and sweeps as well. I'll do a full review of this product at some point in the future, but I hope you enjoy what I show you today. And like I said, you've got GoPro footage and you've got Osmo footage for a comparison. Hello, this is Random Life Productions. I am currently in central London filming with my DJI Osmo Pocket. I'm in 4K 24 and 5000 Kelvin, which means it's a bright day, so I've adjusted the lighting to fit it. I've just been around London filming, so I'm going to show you the tulips here on here. So this is the Osmo filming in 4K. Let's see how good it is. It's quite sunny, so, and this is an autofocus. And we are here by St Paul's Cathedral, and we're going to go now and walk over London Bridge, and I'll show you some. This turned out to be rather a nice day in the UK, so I'm going to be walking over Southwark Bridge now to see how things go. I quite like the camera. I think this is a manual. I hope it is, because I haven't set any of the manual settings. I've got a couple of gizmos for this, so this is going to be pretty cool. Should have bought my shades today. It's been raining and now the sun is out. So I'm going to walk over Southwark Bridge. I'm so way down there, you know. I've got like about 5 or 6 cameras. I'm testing the sound out as well, but the quality may not be so good. But let's see. Cool. We're now on the bridge, Southwark Bridge. My hair is a complete disaster. So it's a beautiful day here in London. It's cold but nice. So I'll just turn this camera around and give you a glimpse of what's going on here. Quite bright. That's the London Eye.
Smile, now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 I'm safe and.
Well, this is pretty cool. I'm by the river. I'm still in 4K, 2000 Kelvin. It's the golden hour just before sunset. So let me twist this around for you so you can see the little duckies here. It's pretty cool. So as I twist... Oh, better go this way, okay. I went a bit fast then, okay. So as I twist around here, there's the ducky. And then if I want to twist it up and down, I just have to do this, and then I can go up. That's really cool. Hello, well, I have my little Osmo Pocket again. Like I said, I'm just testing it to see how it walks and the image stabilization. I'm also testing the little gadget you can use instead of the controller. It's like the controller that you put on it. I'll take a picture later on so you understand what I'm talking about. So I'm in my favourite park spot, and I'm just walking along, and I just wanted you to come along and join me. I've got so much stuff. Wow, I'm tired now. I've got 2 camera lenses, a tripod, and loads of other stuff. Look at this. It's so nice around here though, so I haven't got the mic on, so I haven't bought a mic with this, but you can hear all the exterior sounds. So let me just turn this around for you real quick. So here's the view here. It's quite a cute little park. I like the nighttime sounds. It's a good little walk for me, this one. And look at these little white, we go here. Look at these little white bluebells that we have here. And then I can go pan down and up, which is pretty cool. So, this is what I've been carrying with me today. This big old thing with my monopod. And if I can get it, this big old lens, which is a 200mm telephoto. And it's a monster. That way, okay. So, where am I? Where am I? Up. No, that way, and then up. Down. Okay, cool. So I'm continuing my walk. This is my normal little route. I like to take pictures here with my camera and my lenses and stuff. I like to use it. It's in the middle of the city, very built up area, but they've got this sort of nature reserve. So I'm gonna squeeze this around a bit here. Oh, wait. So I'm gonna squeeze this around a bit here so you can see it. So where's the camera? Here. Hello. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm going to squeeze it around now so you can see what I'm saying. It's that way, isn't it? Whee! Okay, cool. So this is the nature reserve here. It's kind of known as the wetlands. I need to really get an ND filter for this because I know that we're going to get some flare on this. But it's pretty along here. It's a really nice place to walk, especially at the end of the day when you've been in the city. I like coming along here. It's about 5 minutes away from my home, which is right in the middle of a very industrialised area, but to have this little piece of sanity here is awesome. I really enjoy it. It's so pretty, look. So you can see the bluebells and everything. It's such a nice little... I've got these midges all over the show, but it's such a nice little area to appreciate. I love it. So we're gonna continue on with this walk. Gosh, it's getting bright now. I'll have to get an ND filter for this, I think, because it's really bright now. The sun's started to shine quite brightly. So it's face tracking, which is cool. So face track is on. Midges galore here. So I'm going through this kind of like, I don't know where the heck I'm going, but it's less glare. So walk down here a bit. It's quite nice. But as I said, I'm just testing the Osmo Pocket, the 4K 24 frames a second, to see how it goes, and at the moment it's going pretty good. I'm just kind of going in an area where it's not so sunny and I'm not getting flary. My hands are aching now because I've been carrying cameras all day. But with this Osmo Pocket, I think you'll basically, you will get some strength in your arms, because my arms are getting quite tired. But like I said, I've got this thing in my hand. Look at that. 200mm lens. Awesomeness for nature and wildlife. I'm now finishing this video off again with the Osmo Pocket, and I just want to say thank you for watching. Welcome to my new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. There's going to be more tutorials and more comparisons coming up soon, and obviously some more videos of London. Hope you enjoyed this one today, and thank you again for watching.